In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I add a collection on Shopify Dawn theme. We'll start right from your Shopify admin. Log into your store, and from the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. First, land on Home so you're at the main overview. Then go to Online Store, and under that, open Themes. This is where you manage how your storefront looks. Find your current live theme, which for this tutorial is Dawn, and click Customize or Edit Theme. That opens the theme editor, where every change you make is visual and easy to preview. At the top of the editor, you'll see a Template Selector. Begin on the home page just to get your bearings. Next, use that same selector to switch to the Collections templates, and choose the default collection. This tells Dawn you're editing the layout and content shown on your collection pages. On the left sidebar, you'll see the list of sections that make up this template. Look for a section labeled Featured Collection. If it's already there, click it to open its settings. If you see multiple product grid or collection-related sections, select the one intended to showcase a specific collection on the page. On the right side, find the setting called Collection. Click it to open the collection picker. Here you can choose which collection you want to display. Use the search bar to quickly find the right one, then select it to confirm. If you haven't created your collection yet, a quick tip. Collections are made in Products, then Collections, back in your admin. You can set those up first so they're available here to select. Once your collection is chosen, take a moment to fine-tune the section. You can usually adjust the heading, number of products shown, number of columns, and image ratio so it fits your brand style. These tweaks don't add steps, they just help your featured collection look clean and consistent. When you're happy with the preview, click Save in the top right corner. Saving applies the change to the template, so every collection page using this layout will reflect your featured collection section and settings. To double-check your work, use the preview controls to navigate through a few collection pages and confirm that everything looks right. If you need to switch to a different collection later, just return to the same section, open the collection picker again, choose a new one, and save. That's it. Your collection is now added and featured in the Dawn